Ni sewing gaba sakan tikurum chak soang ni getal gaba video na ndake Meghalaya Embos SSLC pas ka anio tura Embiros Bat School ni Bisal Kumar menggapa geni gapa topar komat ne pas waha uni aganeng gapa katani video ni clips ko tauna simang na ngame sukatenga
Kumar. I'm from Embiros Bat Higher Secondary School, and today I've secured the second position in the Embos SSLC examination with a percentage of 96. So it is a very proud moment for all of us, my family, my parents, my school, and all the people who are around me. And it gives me great pleasure that I've been able to achieve this. So for this achievement, I would like to give all the credit to my parents who have always supported me. They always had my back. They always encouraged me to do good, and also all my teachers, all our principal, our headmistress Manshila, they always supported me throughout this journey. So it's been a great experience. So yes, my parents have made a lot of sacrifices, and without their support, I would not be able to, achieve this thing. I've seen them how they have managed their expenses, how they have sacrificed their desires just so that I could fulfill what I needed. They always made that sure that I was comfortable, and yes, because of me they had to sacrifice a lot, but I want to work hard. I want to create a better future for them. I did not have a plan, but initially I was not that serious about my examinations, to be honest, but as my exams approached closer, I felt that I need to invest more time into my studies. So I started scheduling my time. I made sure that I invested at least 2 to 3 hours into my studies daily, consistently, and with my full focus. Whenever I studied, I made sure that I'm only into my studies and I was not distracted by anything. So this is how I planned my study time. I've been thinking of pursuing the science stream now. As of now, I'll be pursuing the science stream because I've always been interested in this subject. This subject has always fascinated me. So yes, that's my plan for now. I would like to continue my studies in Tura as of now. After my class 12, I would like to go outside. So I've been thinking I would like to get an admission in KV, or if not possible, Don Bosco. I like to travel. I like to go out with my friends. Although I do not go out much, but I like it whenever I do. And then also I like reading novels since I started this, and I'm liking it. Okay, there were some challenges that I faced. First of all, there are a lot of distractions around us. First being the social media. Secondly, my friends and all. So yes, there were a lot of distractions around my house also. There were some distractions, but in my mind I was clear about my goal. I was very dedicated to it, and because of that I did not pay much attention to the challenges and the obstacles, but I always made sure that I need to work hard and stay consistent. So that is what helped me to achieve this interview. To all the juniors who are going to appear for the examinations in the upcoming years, I would like to tell you that you just need to work a little hard. It's not that difficult to bring a good result. Just put in a little effort and time and you'll achieve a great result. Trust me, it's a great feeling. And all the hard work that you do, all the sacrifices that you make, it will be worth it. So that is the message that I would like to give to all the viewers.